we are going to continue the chapter Information Processing. In this chapter, we will learn principles of counting. Okay, we already learned about principles of counting in the previous classes. Today's learning outcomes are what we have to learn today. To learn about principles of counting, in that we will learn addition and multiplications of principle, and we will solve exercise. First, just recall before entering the class, we will recall the addition and multiplications of principle. What is the addition principle? If there are two selections such that they can be done independently in m ways and n ways respectively, then either of the two selections can be done in m plus n ways. That is, in addition principles, you can see if you take two selections that are independent selections, okay, rendu enadhu onnukonnu depend agama independent ah irukra madri selections edutona adu m ways. One selection is for m ways, another one is in n ways. That therefore the addition principle is m plus n ways. Okay amma. Next, multiplication principles. The clue word is either. In this question, either it comes means you can find addition using addition principle. Okay amma. Next, multiplication principle. In this multiplication principle, if a selection can be performed in m ways, following which another selection can be performed in n ways, that also m and n ways, and both the selections are dependent on each other. Okay, both the selections one depend aayirukku. That is the multiplication principle. In that time, you can use m into n ways. Okay, you can find the principles of counting using m into n. Okay, have you cleared that, ma'am? Next, we will see the exercise 5.3. Okay, in this exercise, first sum. Shanti has 5 chudidar sets and 4 frocks. In how many possible ways can she wear either a chudidar or a frock? Okay, so she will wear either a chudidar or a frock. That either or, so that is addition principle. Okay, so you can use addition principle. So first, in the solution, you can write number of by the given data, number of ways to wear chudidar. Chudidar wear pandradhukana possibilities, how many possibilities, ma? 5 possibilities, because she has 5 chudidar. So number of ways to wear chudidar, 5. Okay, next, how many frocks she have? 4 frocks. So number of ways to wear frock, that is 4 frocks, so 4 ways. Okay amma. Next, you can find total possible number of ways. So total number of ways to wear either a chudidar or a frock is, you can add these two. Okay, because these two are independent selections. So that is 5 plus 4, we get 9. Okay, so this is the way to select either a chudidar or a frock. Okay, have you understood? Okay, next we will move the next one. So in the second sum, in a higher secondary school, the following types of groups are available in 11th standard. Okay, so what are the groups? Are the science group. In this science group, 3 ways: physics, chemistry, biology and mathematics. Physics, chemistry, mathematics and computer science, and the third one is physics, chemistry, biology and home science. Okay, these 3 possibilities for science 1 group. Next, arts group. In arts group also 3 possibilities, 3 ways you can choose. Next, vocational group, 2 ways. Okay, 2 different ways that given. In how many possible ways can a student choose the group? How will you choose the group? If you are studying means you can choose any one of the group, no. So in science group 3 possibilities, arts group 3 possibilities, vocational group 2 possibilities. So totally how many possibilities? That is the number of ways to choose the group. Okay, so we will see the solution. What is the solution, ma? First, what are given? By the given data, number of ways to select the science group. How many ways? We already see how many ways? 3 ways, isn't it? So 3, and number of ways to select the arts group, that also 3, and number of ways to select vocational group, that also 2, that is 2. Okay, so these are all independent selection, so you can use either any one of the group only student selected, isn't it, ma? Therefore the total number of ways, therefore total number of ways to select a group equal to, you can add all the 3. So 3 plus 2, we get 8. Okay, Amma? This is the number of ways to select a group. Okay, have you understood, ma? Okay, this is the this sum enough for you. So this is your homework. A coin is tossed 10 times. What is the total number of all possible outcomes? Okay, you can toss a coin at 10 times. We know how many possible for one coin, we know, isn't it? So using that, you can find 10 coins total number of ways. Okay, Amma? Next, second sum. In class 8, there are 16 boys and 9 girls. How many ways the teacher wants to select a class leader? How many ways? Class leader means only teacher selected, isn't it? So that you can use in which principle. You can find it. Okay, Amma? So these 2 your home assignment. That's all the class. The remaining we will see in next class. Okay, Amma? Thank you, Ma.